Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to Hectanuka 1. I post a new video every Friday and you can find it in your subscription box if you have subscribed. And you can find your subscription box in the top left of your screen on your YouTube channel. And anytime you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video. Today I'm going to show you how you can keep straight edges in crochet. I'm going to demonstrate with this section, and I'm working single crochet stitches. So at the end of the row you're going to chain one and you're going to turn your work. And the secret to getting straight rows is that chain one takes the place of the first stitch. That's the first stitch, so you're going to work into the second stitch. And if you want to be able to continue to have a straight edge without having to count your stitches, you're going to mark that chain one with a stitch marker. So I'm just going to work across the row. Now I'm going to chain one and turn, and again work into the second stitch. Now you can remove that stitch marker and place it into that chain one stitch and then continue across. Chain one and turn. Don't work in that stitch, work into the second stitch, not that one, this one. Move your stitch marker to your chain one stitch and continue across the row. And if you continue like that, you'll have nice straight edges. Now after a while you won't have to mark that because you'll get used to knowing which stitch that is. And that's how you can keep nice straight edges in crochet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.